Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, how are you? I'm your teacher Hafiz Shahab and welcome to our channel SJ Islamic School. Today we have to read our lesson number 9, part number 14. So please read the Arvud and Tasmiyah after me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So the first word of part number 14 is mim fatha ma fa alif fatha fa mafa za two fatha zan mafazan. Mim has fatha. We're not allowed to stretch, we're not allowed to jerk, and we're not allowed to read majhul. Fa alif fatha is creating alif madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. Za has two fatha means tanveen. We have to make ikhfa on tanveens. What is ikhfa? Hiding the sound in nose for 1 second is called ikhfa. So mafazan. And one thing more, if alif is after two fatha, alif will not be read. Mim kasra mi ha standing fatha ha miha dal two fatha dan mihadan. Mim has kasra, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ha has standing fatha, we have to stretch it for 1 second. Dal has two fatha, we have to make ikhfa here. Alif will not be read. Mihadan. Noon fatha na, ba alif fatha ba naba ta two fatha tan nabatan. Noon has fatha, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ba alif fatha is creating alif madda, stretch for 1 second. Ta has two fatha, there is ikhfa. Alif will not be read after that. Nabatan. Wow, kathra, we, fa, alif, fatha, fa, wifa, qaf, two fatha, qan, wifaqan. Wow has kasra, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Fa alif fatha is creating alif madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second. Qaf has two fatha tanween. We have to make ikhfa here. And qaf is from huruf musta'aliya. Those are 7 letters. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Za, Ghain, and Qaf. These 7 letters will be read always bold, and alif will not be read after two fatha. Wifaqan. Sa dhamma su ba wow dhamma boo. But there is a mistake that there is no jazm on wow. It's a printing mistake, but we have to read it correctly. Subu ra two fatha ra suburan. Sa has dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ba is connecting with wow with jazm, but there's a printing mistake that there is no jazm on this wow, but there is wow sakin. Ba is connecting this wow sakin and it's creating wow madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second, and then ra has two fatha tanween. We have to make ikhfa here, and alif will not be read after that. Suburan. And ra will be read bold due to two fatha on it. Ra fatha ra sin wow dhamma su rasu lam two kathra lin rasulin. Ra is bold because it has fatha on it, and due to fatha, no stretching, no jerking, and no majhul. Seen wow dhamma su is creating wow madda. We have to stretch it for 1 second because wow is sakin and the previous letter has dhamma. Lam has two kasra tanveen. We have to make ikhfa here. Rasulin. Sheen dhamma shu. Ha wow dhamma hu. Shuhu. Dal to dhamma dun. Shuhudun. Sheen has dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ha wow dhamma is creating wow madda, stretch for 1 second. Dal has two dhamma tanveen, we have to make ikhfa on tanveen. Shuhudun. Now the last word, qaf dhamma qu, ain wow dhamma ru, qu'u. Dal two dhamma dun, qu'udun. Qaf will be read bold due to huruf musta'aliya because it's one of them. Qaf has dhamma, no stretching, no jerking, no majhul. Ain wow dhamma creating wow madda, stretch for 1 second. Dal has two dhamma tanween, we have to make ikhfa here. Qu'udun. Remember always all here tanween. We don't have to ikhfa, but just this for your practice. So if you have to remember always that you have to make ikhfa on tanween, that's why I am making ikhfa on every single letter for you. Mafazan, mihadan, nabatan, wifaqan, suburan, rasulin, shuhudun, qu'udun. So this was our lesson number 14. صدق الله